Before he led a nation, George Washington labored on his family's farm, taught himself by candlelight, mapped Virginia's wild frontier as a surveyor, and faced gunfire in the French and Indian War, trials that forged the leader America would follow. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn about the history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. George Washington was born in 1732 in colonial Virginia. Raised on plantations, shaped by hard work, discipline, and the constant pull of the wilderness. His father died when George was 11. Formal schooling ended early, responsibility replaced childhood, and ambition took root. As a teenager, Washington became a surveyor, mapping forests, rivers, and mountains. The frontier taught him endurance, precision, and leadership. In his early 20s, Washington joined the Virginia militia. Britain and France were fighting for North America, and the wilderness was the battlefield. In 1753, Washington was sent deep into contested territory to confront French forces, his first taste of diplomacy, danger, and command. The following year, gunfire erupted. Washington's troops clashed with the French, then suffered defeat at Fort Necessity, hard lessons learned under fire. In 1755, Washington rode beside British General Braddock when disaster struck. Bullets tore through the ranks. Washington survived, unscathed. The French and Indian War didn't make Washington famous, but it forged the commander America would one day need. George married the widow Martha Custis on January 6, 1759.